number 76, effective until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Kent, Cass, Gregg, Harrison, Marion, Morris, Titus, and Upshur. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 76 has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Kent, Cass, Gregg, Harrison, Marion, Morris, Titus, and Upshur.
That's a doubleheader. Our first doubleheader on the channel. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cass County in northeastern Texas.
I think the Maxon's having some issues.
County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris County in northeastern Texas, Titus County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilkerson, or 9 miles north of Mount Pleasant, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail.
Whoa!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, DeKalb, Naples, Omaha, US 259 and I-30 intersection, Wilkerson, Cookeville, Dalby Springs, Talco, Marietta, Spring Hill, Harts Bluff, Lydia, and Bryan's Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Cass, Morris, Red River, and Titus.
That's our doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm.
It sounded like an accurate reception.